A router splits your workflow into routes. Retail one way, wholesale the other. But the ending is the same for both. Log it, notify the team, so you build those steps twice, once at the end of each route, add a third route, and you build them a third time. Paths that split should be able to come back together. Now they can. Here is the router. 2 routes, each with its own steps, and each one ends in a plus button that goes nowhere. Click the plus at the end of any route and search for Join. One result. Select it. It has a single event, Join Paths, and it is already chosen. Now watch the other route. The join wires itself to the end of every route in the router. You do not connect the rest yourself, and every route keeps its own plus, so you can still extend them one at a time. Add your common steps after the join, exactly like anywhere else. These run once per execution, whichever route was taken. Which raises a question. What data do those shared steps get? Only one route actually ran, the other one has nothing. So a tag pointing into route A works right up until route B is the one that runs. That is what the join sorts out next. Open the join and go to its Configure tab, Merged Fields. You name an output field once, and then map it for each route. Order summary comes from step 4 on route A and from step 6 on route B. And there is your tag, join7.orderSummary. Now open any step after the join and look at its data picker. The steps inside the routes are gone. They are not offered anymore because they are not dependable. What you get instead is the join and the fields you merged, plus one you never defined. Executed route. It tells you which path this run actually took. At runtime, each field takes its value from the route that executed. If more than one route matched, the first route with a value wins, and a route you leave unmapped simply contributes nothing. One more thing. If every route's test data already shares a key, FlowMattic spots it. It counts them and offers to add them, but it never adds them behind your back. A branch works the same way. Build the yes side, build the no side, then put a join at the end of either one. Both paths converge into it, and merged fields behaves exactly the same. So, a whole run. The router picks its route and runs those steps, then jumps to the join. The join resolves your merged fields from the route that ran, and the shared steps carry on. And if no route matches at all, it still jumps to the join, so your closing steps always happen. 4 things worth knowing. 1 join per router or branch. A scope converges once. If a route contains its own branch, give that branch its own join first. Deleting a join takes everything below it. Past the merge point, there is no single route to reattach those steps to. And a router that is already joined cannot be deleted directly. Delete its join first. Split the path when the work is different. Join it when the work is the same. And carry the data across in one tag.